I got this 2000 F350 with a 7.3 diesel, and I kept shredding belts, and it's turned out to be the tensioner here. With the other one, the old one, the gap between this, the tensioner, and the belt was really close, and that's probably what was causing it to rub and shred. There's the old one.